Did you know that 80% of people struggle to find the right diet? Are you one of them? With 2024 on the horizon, dietary trends are evolving faster than ever. Join us as we navigate this landscape, aiming to empower you with the knowledge to craft a personalized diet plan that truly works for you. Let's dive in. In 2024, crafting your dream diet isn't just a trend, it's a vital step towards a healthier you. Personalized diets hold the key to unlocking optimal health and wellness. Your dietary choices form the foundation of your well-being. Let's explore how to tailor your perfect plan. Navigating the realm of diet choices today is no small feat. With a barrage of misinformation and conflicting advice, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Many start with the best intentions, only to find themselves caught in a maze of contradictory guidance. Is low carb the way to go, or should we embrace plant-based living? The challenge is real. Misinformation not only confuses, but can derail our health goals. Finding the right diet isn't just about choosing what's popular, it's about aligning with what truly works for you. As we dive deeper into diet planning, remember, the goal is not to follow trends blindly, but to discover a path that resonates with your unique lifestyle and needs. In the next segment, we'll delve into various dietary approaches, empowering you with the knowledge to craft a personalized plan that suits your life. Stay tuned as we transform this challenge into an opportunity for growth and wellness. Let's embark on an exciting journey to discover the many dietary approaches available today. Each one offers unique benefits and perspectives, helping you navigate towards a plan that fits your lifestyle and goals. The key is personalization. By understanding your unique needs and preferences, you can tailor a diet that not only meets your nutritional requirements, but also aligns with your daily routine and personal tastes. Consider the benefits of mindful eating, or perhaps the energy boost from a high-protein focus. The possibilities are endless, and each offers pathways to enhance your health and wellness. So take this opportunity to delve into diverse dietary philosophies and find the right balance that works for you. As we continue, we'll provide you with simple steps to start building your personalized diet, ensuring it's both achievable and sustainable. Stay with us as we guide you towards crafting your dream diet, tailored to your individual needs. The journey to a healthier you is just beginning. Now let's focus on crafting your dream diet. It's simpler than you think. Start by identifying your specific dietary goals, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, or simply eating healthier. Next, explore which foods align with these goals, taking into account any personal preferences or restrictions. Remember, the best diet is one that suits your lifestyle and tastes, making it sustainable for the long haul. Consider incorporating a variety of foods from different groups to ensure balanced nutrition. This includes proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates, along with plenty of fruits and vegetables. And don't forget hydration. Water is your best friend. As you plan, be mindful of portion sizes and meal timings that work best for your routine. Keep it flexible. Life is unpredictable, and your diet should adapt to it. Finally, track your progress and tweak your plan as needed. Your body is unique, and your diet should evolve with you. By following these steps, you're not just building a diet, you're creating a personalized roadmap to better health. And as you embark on this journey, stay tuned for our next segment where we'll help you achieve your diet goals with confidence and clarity. As we conclude, remember that crafting your dream diet is entirely within reach. By following the key steps outlined, you're equipped to take control of your nutrition journey. Empower yourself to start today, because your dream diet is not just a vision, it's a reality you can achieve. Up next, let's continue this journey together. Share your dream diet ideas in the comments below. Let's create a community of inspiration and support. Don't forget to check out our next video for more exciting nutrition tips that can help shape your personalized plan. Together, we can make 2024 the year of your ultimate health and wellness journey.